To the African people, a river has never been just a resource. It is an artery, a living, pulsing connection between the soil we walk upon and the spirits that watch over us. In our history, the river was the first architect. It decided where kingdoms were built and where cattle would thrive. Across Zimbabwe, these veins of life sustain us, from the mighty thundering Zambezi in the north to the ancient Limpopo in the south. But today, we scale down, leaving the giants behind to find the intimate pulse of the Mzingwane district.
Hi, welcome to Makriza Made Mkuke. Igama Prince Sivala Mahlangu. Ngizuzakana naso umkhetho umasingilili. Thina umagodo ngakalotshani. Just look at the beautiful view engapho emuva kwami. So we're in Mzingwane district namhla sizofunda ngemfula, uqhatheke wemfula. And with me here loba buchabam. Baba linjalo?
Hayi siyaphila.
Yes. Sibaqala lizethu lisho uthi ngubani ngakho lidume ngani.
Hayi mina igama nguDingani Likhwa Chabangu okamasobota. Ungwane omude ngitsho lenyanyathela ngazo mafuza fulele njengendovu yasolwane. Silapha umfula ngunsezi. Unsezi udabuka khatshana lengathi ngama kilometers amangaki eMbizingo. Embizingo. Ezeke ezezofika lapha esimikhona kulokho kungunsezi uyathela ke kumzingwani phetsheya aphinde ayo thela futhi kumzingwani phambili lesethela la kumlambo.
A river is more than water. It is a vessel for memory. In our society, the sanctity of the flow is not kept in the books, but in the breath of our elders. Wise sayings and proverbs act as the guardians of these waters, providing a reverence that modern science is only beginning to understand.
Mina ngikhulumayo nguChapson Masuku ozalwa nguAbela engwakwamasuku. uAbela ezalwa nguMamangala. uMamangala ezalwa ngumtilili. Khuluma ngomfula unsezi. Unsezi udabuka phezulu eMbizingwe. Ehle abuye azofika achaphe endaweni esibomvu. Edabula imadzoka lesibomvu. Ehle abuye lapha azazokona emahlezini. Abuye azodlula eTherini eSipaba. Azazofika lapha esikhona lapha eNyema. Esehle siyaphansi azayidibana lo mlambo phansi le okuthiwa kona Mbo. Umfula esiuthembileyo ezifuyweni thina lathi abantu njengoba izibhorani ngathi ziyashotela kakhulu sithembe wona sinatha khona echebechebeni. Silale inhlanzi ziba khona kodwa ke imfula wakhona ulechebechebe kakhulu so iziziba ziyacina zingani ziyagqibelela. Inhlanzi zicina zingazisezivalekile.
There is a law written in the current. One should not go backward in life, like a river. A river is the ultimate teacher of forward momentum. It does not bargain with the rocks in its path. It moves them around. It does not regret the mountain it left behind. It only seeks the sea. To live like the Nsezi, to understand that growth is a one-way journey.
Umfula uqhatheke kakhulu Mahlangu. Isizakhaya ukuthi kulale nkulumo. Izinkulumo ezikhuluma ngomfula ezibase emphakathini. Inkulumo leziyana ziyikugcina umlando womfula. Ziyukuthi abantu bengakhohlwa ukuthi sitomfula. Ake sikhangeleni nxa omama besemathubeni nabo. Kuthiwa basemfuleni. Bayageza. Kokana kuchaza uqhatheka komfula. Chaza ukuqhatheka komuntu related to umfula. Njalo bayazilo ngakhela amazilo abawenzayo nxa besemathubeni lemfuleni sizwa abadala kuthiwa kudala kwamele umuntu ongumama angayi kukha amanzi engachaphi umfula. Bese siba lenkulumo ethi yona akubuyelwa muva kungasemfula kumbe akubuyelwa muva njengomfula. Umfula awugelezi ubuyele emuva. Inhlanzizo ezingaphambana lamanzi umfula usiyani. Lokhana kuya encourage futhi abantu ukuthi izinto zakho ma uzenza ungabuyele emuva. So kuyafana ukuthi njengoba sike sathi ukuthi mawugeze emfuleni kuthi into zakho ezinhle ziyaqhubeka ziflowa zisiba zinhle. Lezana ezimbi lazo ziqhubeka sezihambelani lo mfula.
African spirituality is grounded by these waters. Here, the geography of the riverbank dictates the geography of the soul. When we seek a blessing, when we reach for luck, we go to the bend. We find the place where the water stands still, holding its breath, allowing us to see our own reflection.
Wona ngasikhayele imfula ngasikhayela amasiko amaNdebele or just African culture kumbe ezomoya iAfrican spirituality. Imfula yona iqhathe kokungakanani ba?
Singathi vele yona impilo yomuntu omnyama igxile emfuleni. Ikakhulu nxa sikhangela kwezomoya ngoba izinto eziningi ezomuntu omnyama zenzelwa emfuleni. Maze ngenzelwa ngemfuleni zenziwa ngamanzi. Ikakhulu izolo besingalawo amanzi mhlawumbe la agcinwa ematankeni besilamanzi emajojo tank besilamanzi agcinwa emfuleni amanzi ahambayo amanzi asemthonjeni. Nxa umuntu elungisa into zakhe zenhlanhla ubehamba ayegeza ngamanzi awumfula ngoba umfula uyahamba. Sikholela ukuthi ma ugeze emfuleni usuthole inhlanhla usukhuphe umnyama usuhambe lo mfula then inhlanhla uzahamba uyegezela mhlawumbe lapha amanzi asefike khona anikama.
Okay.
Lapha afike khona ekhoneni lomfula.
Okay.
Lapha amanzi afika anikama khona usugeza ke ususihlambulula. Kodwa mawukhupha umnyama ugezela emfuleni. Bese ngisitsho futhi ukuthi yebo namhla sebekhona abanye othi nxa ezogeza emfuleni ageza bese chiya amalemba chiye izinto ezingayisizo. Lokho hayi asikukhuthazi ngoba ingcekeza lana amalembu lawana angcolisa futhi umfula.
When the weight of the past becomes too heavy, when bad luck must be shed, we seek the white water. We go where it flows. We trust the current to take what is broken and carry it far beyond the horizon, leaving us rinsed and renewed.
Sinomfula njalo umzingwane njengoba singaphansi kukamzingwane. Umzingwane udabuka phezulu khona le. Phezulu kwakorogwe emaqaqeni le. Xa ungani usukhangele uyagonqomela kobulawayo usukhangele eStaramine. Yena ugonqome sehle size khangela impumalanga. Esiza khona ngapho okuya khona unsisi. Abese hamba ke engakulelani phetsheya esiyadlula ngale kwemawabeni esehla la ekhangele khona le esiyadibana lo Nyankuni phansi lapho kuhlangana khona umzingwane lo Ncema esesehle siyaduse ngumzingwane uyabe sedibane lo Ncema unsezi la ayengena njalo kumzingwane umzingwane acholobele ngumzingwane esethwele kuyisula konke lokho azayingena kungulukudela. Then umchabezi udabuka khona le njalo ematojeni okuthiwa kusebhagani esehlala esentshonalanga kwembizingwe esehle phansi khona la zaye fika lapho okusokule damu lelo okuthiwa kusedondoriyo ngumchabezi lo kodwa uyehla la engumfula ichaza efika phansi eGwanda khona. Angisaqesisa ukuthi umchabezi lo Thuli kodwa ngibona umchabezi ungena kuThuli esesehle siyale uyabe senguThuli umchabezi sengena kuThuli.
Sakhuluma singakalayitha amakhamera ukuthi inkosi uMzilikazi yayihlala endaweni eyayiduze lomfula owamanzi. Lingagcizelela ngakho lokho.
AmaNdebele awenkosi uMzilikazi kube ngathi inkosi uMzilikazi okaMachobane babengahlali lapho okungela mfula khona eduze. Uzathola kade silesilungwini sithiwa yini i-source of water. Ngibona ngani bakuthathele kopani inkosi ibinanzela ukuthi kamanye ngahlala lapha kungela mfula inkomo zami zizanatha ngaphi thina singabantu sizanatha ngaphi then imisebenzi yethu leyi esintu sizayenzela ngaphi emfuleni lapho kulale izinyamazana eziphila emfuleni. Uyabika kizo umfula uyawucela mawusiya kiwo ngento abantu kumele siyazi siqhathekise ukuthi emfuleni awuphomba ukufika nje uyabika kwesisikhathi ungabika kubi uyakukhafula umfula ukwenzele nje izinto ezingasokube zazi kanti ke awenzanga kuhle.
Zimbabwe and the vast African continent boast a wide array of these sacred flows, from the Nsezi to the Nile. They remain the silent partners in our survival. Even in the intimacy of the kitchen, the river is present. We cannot nourish ourselves, nor can we cook a single meal without the grace of the water.
Ngomfula laba abathwasayo loba nje khathesi ukuthwasa kungasayandanga kade bevuka ekuseni ngabo 4 besiyageza emfuleni. Abanengi liyakwazi ukuthi umuntu mayethwasa uyabe gegezani kuyabe kusenziwani khona ngale singesithone sokuphatha bese usithi la nxa umuntu esethwasile ndlane kulomdlalo wakhe esayendiswa sokusiya ngokuthi yiliphi idlozi abanengi ubehambe siyathatha inyoka inhlathu abaye bazathi inhlwathu thina sithi inhlathu uyahamba ayoyithatha emfuleni. Ngaba umfula omkhulu ngaba umfuko lo ngakanani kodwa behamba esiyathatha inyoka lana ngaphi emfuleni. Then bese kusiba futhi okunye okusetshenzwa ngumfula esingathi ku sacred okufana lezibongo ikakhulu ezamanguni inkaba zethu zilahlelwa emfuleni. So izinyamazana leziyana ezisemfuleni okuyizo esicabanga ukuthi zithatha inkaba yethu osilahlela lapha ezikhona sihlonipha ngokuthi asizidli lezo nyamazana. Umfula uyachaza impilo yomuntu. Uyichaza njani? Ngamaphupho. Umuntu engaphupha amanzi eludaka esemfuleni hayi izinto zakho zivalekile. Nxa umnyaka kuzaba umnyaka kakhulu mawungalungisanga. Bese kusithi ungaphupha amanzi amahle omfula uwachapha uchaphela ngale izinto zakho ziyabe zizinhle into zakho zivulekile. Ake sithi uphuphe umfula uchile. Uphupha umfula nje so wazi ukuthi umfula ohlalo mhlawumbe kuleminye imfula vele phela ngachi. Wena uphupha uchapha leyo mfula uchile hayi izinto zakho azihambi kahle.
The history of the river is written in every meal shared, every dance rehearsed, and every truth told. The essence remains. The history continues. As long as the water flows, the story of the people shall never run dry.
I had a good time in Mzingani district with Uba Chabang and also Uba Masuku, who explained about the importance of rivers within African culture, within African spirituality. Mina mfana womahlangu nzunza abo magodonga I really love what because inkaba yethu vele siphosela emanzini. But also got to learn a lot about how water is vital within our lives for the livestock and also the spiritual aspect, the religious aspect. I think bakhulumile indaba ukuthi abaye bezogezela lapho bedinga inhlanhla and also the naming of rivers, which is very important. So the naming of rivers also like this one and also Umzingwane, Umchabezi, and how that history, that culture is embedded also in something that's so vital in our life. So yeah, great time. I wish to come back here and also document the food. Yeah, super. So but anyway, thank you for watching. My name is Prince Sivalo Mahlangu, Unzuza kaNanasi. Catch you on the next one. Remember, keep the love, keep the ubuntu. Towards.